Welcome. In front of me is an INFINIX Zero Ultra, and today I will show you how you can capture a screenshot on this phone. So to get started, open up content that you wish to capture. I'll be using home screen as an example for this, so that's my content. And anyway, once it's open and visible, you want to hold power key and volume down at the same time. It will give you this pop-up right here. It gives us a scrollable option and share. After a moment it disappears. Now the scrollable option was grayed out because technically we can't really scroll down here. This isn't considered as scrolling down, but this would be, I believe. Let's see. That just went straight to scrolling, which is weird. But as you can see, that's kind of how it works. So anyway, I'm gonna save it just for the kicks. And let's open up Photos application, where we will find our screenshots. So let's see, where the heck are they? Oh, right here. So those are the two screenshots that I have captured. So this is the long one, and here's the normal one. And there we go, that's basically it. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.